Wait, cause him a cook good food. You know, a 5-star hotel me there right now. That was this them good cooking there where you go on with a 5-star business. And she happy so we there still now, cause she have company. She the one company still now.
Yeah man. Yeah, you know this about her.
Yeah man, she look I don't miss her special now. I'm just happy she happy. Cook nut, good life.
Yeah man.
Randy,
Yes ma'am.
we do this but not in kitchen.
You do what?
Oh, this is the same way you say I do cook and drink.
You do it in the kitchen.
We used to do it every Saturday over there so.
Over where?
Over the house over there so.
Every Saturday? We do it fire? What I do? On your house?
Yeah, but and him, really him. The youth where
You used to live there?
in their foreign, now big chef him.
Okay.
That's doing works and in man.
Okay.
He might come December.
Okay.
Man, me say man, may God be the glory. Me say when me here so, and me turn the steering here so. When you reach way out there so, you still not done.
Ugly look.
Eh? You have to make them see. Man, richest man now man, and all his shoes now, and all his clothes now. You can't study them. You know one friend, he tell me say Nick, let me show you this man. When me go in mad for buy the car, nobody wants to say nothing because they scan me.
Yes.
But they don't know why in my back for my back.
Yes.
Any amount of money, but it's a disguise. You know, nobody will say, Master, boy, they clean, have some money up and so you're in line dirty clothes. So me drive my Volvo and my ladder. When me do something with the dead steering, you have to start on the fire so you turn out the sun. No man, you catch a fire by you. You know, come on 75 kilometers per hour, man.
You have to blend in, man. It's Jamaica Good Life back on it again. Man called Nick and a man called O'Neill. Yeah. This is the student of the master right here. Say something about the teacher.
Today I just saw what's porridge. Yeah, watching my drink.
Hey, on the top of the yard, just tone down the voice.
Me want to
right
So pretty much
I work better. Where is it now? Come here, talk. Now get the mic through. Alright, go on through. So Nick, what you say?
Same thing what you said, Daddy. I'm so porridge, I want to say.
That's the same time.
Yeah, man, we don't know about interview already.
That's the same time.
Oh man, more know about the West Party than Nick.
Tell me what the West Party. Tell me what the West Party. I want to know what the West Party.
The West porridge, as Soji say, you don't really do the coconut powder still, but you know, a fast thing away from go to Savanna.
No, I say go in now, me.
You know, in a Babylonian thing.
What
you can understand. But I find way about for them. You know,
I'm getting more water. You're too damn brave. No, I'm eating. Guys, I'm hungry. Take hungry for like 2,500 there. Yeah, but guess what I said? I don't eat food, can't buy so much.
You see today? Alright. Yo, grateful man. You see today? You're going to walk out the food when you have today.
Yes, man.
You think I do like we do Friday?
This evening.
You're going to walk out your backside.
Cook this evening, man. We take off the hat and dash.
No, I do the assistant, but I cook this evening lazy man. Alright, that's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. Yeah, I'm telling you what to do.
You're not telling me what to do.
This is a perfect game to tell my guy what.
No, and the off.
Hey, yeah? Me talk. Hold on. Oi. See that? Free the half.
That's how you should say.
You should really come from Sam. You should be dirty people. I go relax. And that dirty one day, I have to go home.
What girl?
Not gonna work, man.
Oh, she work. Okay.
I mean, if she work.
That's not a working class one.
I must get one work.
That's good.
You must have. Everybody step on here like my Muslim.
So yo, remember, we are left and gonna stop.
Yeah, easy.
When you say gonna stop, you can go keep the wood and smell and sleep. You say come back and stop and say, oi! Come cook, it's like you're dead.
No, make we set a time so when we come to play them for layout on a certain time.
No, in our diamond. No, we're not body can, but that's
Okay,
else.
okay.
No, we're not gonna stop and go off here and go sleep.
So a chicken back, we can do a chicken back special.
Yo!
Yeah.
You man can't go chicken back, your friend.
Oh yeah, man.
See ya! Yo! See that knife there?
Yeah, take it out, make it. Him good, put the chicken back. I watch the style chicken.
Master pan curry chicken back. Me have the curry for you.
Eh, so set him up so we know what go down. Chicken back.
Yeah?
That man from Kingston, man.
Hey, chop me a coat that no soji. Use the muscle, man. No say hand right, no man. What am I shit, man?
Hold on. We buy 8 jelly can come back.
We eat 2.
2. Nick drink 1. Always drink 1.
But we have good life, we don't count coconut.
No, hold on. Always drink
Get
1.
one, you know.
No, we drink 1 right now.
Oh.
We drink 1
One
right
thing,
now.
one thing I want to sort for something there.
Baby,
what's the happening for my fridge?
Your chip off, But the year we are making nice, when I fight, I'm going to fight a good life. Okay, but you can't get Pokemon today now. Pokemon work yesterday, so you can't get Pokemon today.
Oh, Pokemon time out yesterday.
Pokemon work yesterday.
You said
Pokemon
time out
self-employed now. Pokemon self-employed now.
Yeah, so time out yesterday.
You should take yesterday to come and come cook for me. I
Come
cook
on,
yesterday now.
Yeah.
Ah.
So we need to have all the chicken last night. We're not even left none of the chicken.
Me never none left. If you ask them, man, they know none left.
Look at someone. Mix it with the leftovers, you know.
We know. Because I learned that for last night, you don't know.
And then we think of fire.
The red one.
Younger one.
Yeah, the young one is better.
Good life. See that?
Are you listening?
No make nobody tell you nothing about Jamaica.
I hear that.
You see me? No make nobody tell you nothing about Jamaica.
The young one is better.
Creation. You see friends know about family. You see me? You love the plant?
This is very special.
What's special about that one?
It's white. In cocoa flowers. This, go in your eye, doctor can help you, you're blind. This, go in your throat, you can't get escape, you're dead. Sim, scratch you to death. You want to kill a rat, you spray a little piece and mix with some oil, and a little more you see him eat it. A little more you see him scratch him tongue out.
This is a
Poison. This, if you have sugar on this joke, you store poison. I was spending good time on a doctor.
What you do with breadfruit leaf?
Good for pressure, man. Right one, man.
Red breadfruit leaf?
Yeah, man.
You boil it?
Just pick it, man. Don't make it drop,
Don't make it drop.
Don't make it go on drop. Take on, pass it better, you know. Yeah, man, you have to cut pork. Where you cut that pork, man?
We'll check him at the stand before we leave out, you know? We check him every morning at the stand. Every time we reach at the stand.
You know, just that time on. Yo, man. So I'm pointing out she's
the shirt, you know. Where you get it? Germany? So what do you have no egg? Egg done. Set up some sauce and some tea.
We will buy that, can't buy that, we can't make it tea.
Everybody have to put them on their hands. We need to make some tea. Right, Tada, you're the tea man, him say. Breadfruit, I can't believe breadfruit. I'm sad about the breadfruit. And a big one them I don't want to roast, you know. Just here now, I'm sad about the breadfruit. Let's go buy another one.
Big man like Swatty, man like Randy, man like Nicky, man like O'Neal, and man like you righteous one of Daniel, Mr. Justin, Jamaica, Jamaica. One Monday morning in October, we over man, them can't grab beat. We in a house just a cook some food. The one that Nicholas a cook up food by rich. The one honey that pay for field food. So the outer door, I want a big slip. Randy over there so I record all of it. I need them car then the good life do. Jamaica good life, what that is. Come in, Nicholas.
I mean, say one thing, now we come in with the good life show. Alright, now this is what you guys don't see them out the door. Alright, now we see on the air, right, that's what we mean. I know we know say me now, not to nobody. We gotta share what me a deal with the men and one give it. Look for me left, so you know me won't cheat them. And that me I said, watch it out, watch it out.
Swatty, come in. Come in.
Good life, what a good life, what a good life.
The good life crew, living a good life crew. You have Mike and you have Susie and you have me too. Happy about the good life. 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 Good life. We know what they do. The good life crew. The good life crew. The good life crew. The good life crew. We know what to do. Yo, that the man called Chef Nick. The man called O'Neal. Chef. The man they travel the world and cook for everybody. This man has security. The man a road countryman. The man a bad man from Mount Zion. We're living in the West, where you're smoking ganja, and you know it's the best. We're living in the West.
Leroy Smart was one of the slickest and thievness big pocket in a town. In a city king, so when Leroy Smart a thief, he wearing 3-piece suit.
Very sure to me.
It's not only funny, I saw Leroy Smart use the 3-piece suit
Yeah.
When you see me can't see my teeth, and you think you're flying, they don't know that.
Your tongue to the teeth.
Be right, man.
Are the porridge now?
Yes, man.
Be right, man. Go up party like a sonny. I say party stuff. You be for gone. Ain't not feeling touch up.
Grab the bread. Get the bread out about 10 on Neil. Where the
bread?
phone?
How
How much
much
girlfriend you have? How much girlfriend you have, Neil? A kitchen in there, I know.
That we can't take with you. You have banana for fluff like a carrot over by wine there.
When you better when you go to pay that to the world.
You said you never put that
Road family, I said that my grandmother and my
One of
grandmother.
the word place.
in the world.
No, one of the word place, man.
You see?
I know
You
people
have to
come out.
hold up the
Yo,
directory. If you play the directory,
Yo.
you just play one song.
I know
Just
people say.
go for the
No,
phone.
people say they see me this and see me that. They don't like my tell.
You saw the dance?
You have to play one. You say I want to be selector. You want to be selector. Get the phone.
That phone is over just the guy. You have to take it to the
Boy, I sold you and he that. The
You
blood
select
is
it,
in
you
it.
select it.
Nah.
The man just want to hurricane this.
We know this one. We have planned something. That's how we have planned something now. This one there. That's what I asked you for the year when you saw a while ago. Oh, that make us ask what Randy is saying. Land. The road edge you need to cut.
And then we can see the road now.
Yeah, the road edge you need to cut.
Gently. So look. Dos. You say you don't sleep. Yeah. There's a check. Yeah, we no full argument.
We know a sleep as well, I'm saying. We see
You
them
know why you come too close to me. Open up your eye hole.
Yo, don't leave it for the man shoulder around there, man. Put it
Head there, we over here.
push it to the window,
Head there,
man.
we over here. So head over here, start do. Yeah.
Push it to the window if you want to sleep, man. I'm going to ain't going to do it,
Touch you
man.
and touch me hot, you know me, I say I want one.
Yeah, yeah.
I see me, I see me things say a breeze and blow up me hot. Let me look.
Sure.
On a day-to-day basis, you
Yeah.
always monitor your driving, monitor your
Everything,
spending
you know.
for food,
Yeah,
everything you have to monitor.
Yeah.
Monitor your light, everything.
That's where you have to survive.
You know, buy a new cook.
Alright, you know, say your budget is $10 for the week. You don't try to spend $12 for the week.
And then for clothes, you know, buy clothes often.
That's the one. One suit of clothes at Jamaica serve for 10 years. So you have to get about clothes. What costs the most in
Nick,
Jamaica?
one shirt lasts you for 5 years.
Nick, I see you asleep, though. Run the ask something a while ago.
One shirt lasts you for 5 years.
One what?
Shirt.
Average, how long one shirt will last?
Shirt?
Yeah. Shirt will
Depends on how me
wear.
wear it.
Alright.
Depends on how me, if I want short, me have me wear every day and don't tear up. You say me have like 5 or 6, we serve me a while, like maybe a year or 2.
How often you buy clothes?
After me buy clothes, well not really often because you can't invest all your money in clothes now.
Yeah.
Alright.
So you have to know, say boy, if you save your money, put on it. If you rainy day, if you sickness and everything, you have to consider it. Just up every day in our work, you know. You will survive with 5 suit of clothes, but you can't survive with going doctor and no money, you know.
Ah.
But apart from that, the survival price of clothes, but every day is a different belly full, so
Exactly.
it's like your belly,
So
your belly have a consist, you think what your belly have every day.
Living, you know, is a technique, you know. If you don't have a technique, you know, you suffer, you know.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we have $1 million today, you know, and tomorrow in the hand, you know.
Yeah.
Because guess what, you know, approach the situation the correct way.
Yeah.
So a rich man, you know, man a big man thing, you know, a rich man know if you hang their money because what, he invest.
Yeah.
You understand? And you can rich today and poor tomorrow, you know.
Yes, sir.
Quick and fast, you know. You understand? But the rich man maintain because he invest in something we can bring back his money. You understand? But at the end of the day, me survive with 5 suit of clothes, man. If you want entire 2 years.
And 3 years, 3 possible.
3 years possible.
Yes, sir.
We can make you in a suit and a pant and be married in the house. And we be going to put on
Same girl.
You understand? Clothes are not a big deal in Jamaica.
No, sir.
Only for woman.
Food are the big deal
Only
in
for
Jamaica.
woman. Woman mostly buy clothes.
And every woman on it.
And every woman.
You want to know what things
Young
straight now
man,
doing.
younger set of women them.
Yeah. Cause they headline.
Invest the most in her clothes.
Cause they headline.
All the women, they get one jean skirt and one blouse, and that next 2 or 3 months they get one next one again when they move that 2 or 2 months or so forth. But the woman if the party she have one. She can't make her friend.
New clothes, new hairstyle. That's a woman.
You can't go to the same party or 2 different parties with the same clothes.
And the same hairstyle.
You see, be careful. So I saw the man they put the straight man himself. If a woman in our home. So I suppose we know me survive because guess what? If we have a woman and we realize if you buy her clothes every 2 weeks, we got a party and you not get done because guess what? We not going to win. I see him 5 soon be up.
Police boy, we didn't say that big close.
So food are the expensive thing.
Yeah man, food costs the most.
I really say more expensive.
I don't say expensive, but it costs the most.
That's the most thing right now for me to get food for eat.
And a week the budget, the food take the most.
So one upon look at tomato in front of the house. Look at callaloo.
It depends on the land where
You have no garden, you can't get dirt and country and put up.
It's not everywhere.
You can't make box dirt and plant some
It's not
callaloo.
everywhere you can plant things. It depends on the soil where you have there. What am I going to pay man?
So you can't bring dirt there. No flower spot.
We are going to import the dirt.
Put down box.
That's what we call import. Take dirt from...
In Brooklyn, you know. In Brooklyn. My mother go tomato, lettuce, callaloo, everything, you know.
Yeah.
In Brooklyn.
Yes.
And she don't get this, we get snow. When you see my mother do a foreign, and when we come to Jamaica and so people nah do.
Well, yeah, that is true.
You see me?
It's true.
So if we can do it at Brooklyn, why we can't do it at Jamaica?
Then again, it all depends on the
Mindset.
person. No, not mindset alone. Depends on the person, the type of work that person does.
Well, my mother do full time, you know.
Yes, but probably she have more time.
No. My mother do full time. What I see my mother do, love Jamaica no work that hard.
Well.
On top of plant on the weekend. Everybody have weekend. Everybody go to church more than 2 hours. Maybe they should cut the church time to 1 and plant something for the next one.
Okay.
Pastor, maybe should come on the house and help on the plant something.
See the hotel industry around there. The hotel industry.
What we do at Brooklyn, let me show you say. Reason why we know say Jamaicans a mindset thing.
Yeah.
Lack of food is a mindset thing. In a Cuba, them plant, them food and them garden. Every man have a garden, you know, Nick.
And they share.
Every man have a garden, you know. In a Jamaica, when we look around, that every man have a garden. Callaloo or something will grow wild and crazy. So you see when you have food, because bush will come from, we come from bush.
Yeah.
So we think like survival must be in your yard. You see, my auntie go be my auntie, them have everything around them yard. Callaloo or something every Jamaican supposed to have in their proximity. You see when you pick them hungry, cut some callaloo, get some rice. You don't need no chicken. Am I correct?
Yeah, correct.
So if every Jamaica have callaloo and every Jamaica have tomato, then none of those rice you need for that, right, Nick?
Yeah.
And some coconut oil. That is the foundation of new government. When we go become Prime Minister, I'm going to make it mandatory. If you don't plant a callaloo with some black tire, I'm going to tax you more. Simple. No excuse. And that is the foundation I held for the picnic them with iron, right? Simple thing what Jamaica need to do. But you know what mindset? With mindset depend on so much money. Perfect example. If my Prime Minister me say every Jamaican need to have a tree. I mean go inspect your tree. Whatever tree you want, each of them must have a tree. You see what I say? That is the foundation of what.
Not only a tree that bring fruit. No flowers tree.
No.
You need a mango.
Coconut.
There be a fruit tree.
Yeah. If every picnic that barn have a tree, you see if you don't have a tree, I'm going to tax you. Where your tree number there? You see me? And then if you waste things from your tree, you get tax deduction. We create a whole new program called when Ghetto Youth team up with the farmers them called Farm Link. On the weekend they get to you them go farm and get credit at some point.
Tree,
Eh?
Man and thief man tree.
Man and thief man.
There's one thing me know. There's one thing, Batman, I miss you. There's one thing I know about we Jamaica.
Yeah.
No matter how skilled you is, anything I have on Jamaica say I want him to get it.
What you say?
Anything I have on Jamaica say I want him to get it.
He might take it from you.
No matter how skilled you is.
Yeah.
How they do it, don't ask me.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That is Jamaica, no run for them.
Seems like we're close.
I stop with them.
Okay. I
them.
sense the energy.
I stop with them.
Listen. You know.
What is the pussy way to hide?
Why are you laughing? What life?
Yeah, we're going to hide now bushes.
That's fast like a rocket. That bump that
I
car.
don't want to 75 kilometers per hour.
Just, you know, no crazy. Crazy, yo.
So you see, who like car them? Nice car them, they're front.
And that they carry that back.
Best their back. We're sick in on our head, man.
Best carry that back.
I'm carrying nice still, no? Is a sale place
Big
this?
man, you can't say it at the same time. You have to wait till me say it. They carry nice enough, you go ahead now.
Is a sale place this?
That carry nice, man. That black
Oh,
one.
them sell them carrier. Nice, man. Look. Soldier up. Good life, soldier up.
Peace. Straight up. Don't talk, you know. I'm serious, man.
So what go on with it?
No, man, my jump start down carries my back to me and stop up.
You can't send idiot go open.
You have to pull the front, man.
Oh, you know about
I
it.
can almost see that picture.
Show it there.
Right, terminal.
Good life.
They wanna.
It loose up, man.
Terminal.
Yeah, man, we're here again.
You don't have to lock it up. You don't have your wrench. Where your wrench there?
Try again.
I want to you, man. Why you have to get jump start and have your wrench? I good like carry this, you know. We can't afford to carry the people on a disabled thing, you know. Soldier up.
Look up, just send him in and pick up.
Call him baby puke.
Baby bro. Baby bro. Send him in there. Shut the door. Shut the door. Shut the door.
This one that we did.
Send him in there.
We're right on the chat here.
Trick, yeah.
You're in the camera now. You want to sit down? Don't put it on it.
So yeah, I go left the car now.
Now, Kenny.
Yeah.
I'm going to go down the stair. No, John can't move in. No, if no one else can't, can't send up on the side.
Real life. Take one.
Hold on, let me get back. Put it on with.
When this thing done, you know, when they put it in, it's gonna be like in California where we just like.
Man. Yes, man.
What an experience there. Good body, girl. 2 more baby, 4 more you can have. Nick!
Bro! Wait, you know, say, face the facts of life, woman have power.
Hey, cool, boy, I'm about to face to the yoke.
Well, you know, when you say woman have power, come say woman make one man pluck up water. You can stuck in the water. Stuck.
What's stuck?
Back with that.
You have to set him up, man. You can't make him so job, so he won't go hot. Welcome to
Keep
the
on
real.
Nick. Just span it forward so I can't see for a moment.
Me don't want you discouraged,
You must
man.
buy stupidness. Buy something with solid, you know? And buy parts for it.
You don't tell me what to do, man, with my life, man. We want to ride one bro, ride that donkey. I'm not buying gas.
Yeah, gas. Stop and eat some grass.
Yeah, me go to Kingston, me take much day or 2-3 weeks.
Where you want? Billy Roy, that one.
No flipping it.
Like this man, you know. Jackie look for me and say, we said, tell Jackie say, we can 30-year-old. Jackie say, yes. But anyway, new one go for you and can't go to do. I say, of course. And I say, you may reach before me. So I said to me, say, you may reach before me.
You don't tell no daddy?
No, I can't never do it until I'm dead, Dad. Tell me dead boy, you idiot.
Hey, you still don't wash your hand, don't touch me.
Feet chop.
I work, man, I work, you know.
But they don't realize. Randy, I want your seatbelt.
Yeah, man.
Randy, I want your seatbelt.
Yeah, man.
You pay the money. And the money I'm collect, you know.
Remember this number from one hour ago?
Eh?
This number from 1 hour.
Yeah.
The police and motor speed. I'm going to hear my speed and
I'm with them, this is
Work, man, man. No,
Red girl, let me not see her.
no, jerk, no chicken.
No, man. A junk, man, that's a junk, you know.
Over Camp David, I say, I'm going to plant roses.
Yes, I'm going to say, I'm going to plant flowers at Camp David.
Camp David.
Hey, man.
Plant roses.
Plant flowers, man. Whole day, man.
At night.
No rest in the wicked, man.
No rest for the wicked.
Oh, yes, every take time.
The plant there. See, man, them still short. The car them still short. See, man, see,
Gone.
yeah? It's still tough. You hold the machine in a feeling, but you only blabs up your hand and
You don't know nothing about me, man.
You're going sick. Because you have a hand on a can. You have a big can back in your hand to hold machine long. Let me tell you.
I'm sick, you're sick in the head. Me have can and knife in them.
You know, Salah, you tell.
Machine, man.
You Salah, you tell. Come here, let's say, look.
You can't set the 1-2 screw around. And blabs up.
You can't go and talk, man.
Make it not going to do it.
You can't go and talk, man.
But we are right now, I'm put back. I'm going to buy seed.
We'll go and make some nice lemonade. And some rice with some mackerel. That is good life.
Mackerel cook today. You don't want chicken back today.
Tin mackerel.
You don't want tin mackerel today.
Oh, tin mackerel for lunch. Right,
No, man,
rice and
I one pot to cook, man.
I'm going
okay.
to cook the lunch, man.
One pot.
Alright.
You are soldier, you know.
Eat my mango then.
Now, no man go and drink a beer or something, man.
Yeah.
One pot to cook for the time, man. Soldier never cook 2 pots a day, no. Or 3 pots a day, no. Breakfast and dinner.
No,
man, say no man mackerel for lunch, but just when you cook lunch, we don't cook lunch.
Eh?
Lunchtime gone.
What time now?
1:15.
I'll eat the beach later now.
12:23.
12:23.
Nicely do that, look at baby.
Your finger be clean to make flour under that.
Finger clean. And it's not taking no time. You're not taking no time to rinse out the fingernail.
They want cut, man.
Like say you have them in a but let's see if you don't cook this evening.
We need to find me
And you want to cook this evening? You want the next chef, you can't tell me, you know where you eat.
One time a day we cook.
Where you eat? And one time a day, I say you and the next chef will cook today. On the clock.
I have to sleep to go to work.
You have to sleep to go to work, you know eat. Where you eat? If you don't cook.
Yo, that's why I love my place in New York, you know.
I just try to stop it.
No, I don't not change it, man. I can't take time, I can't big truck.
Take your time, man.
I can't stay back a big truck, man.
You have a 170 round, man.
No, I don't go so far, so don't tell lie, boy.
You can't say lie, man.
Don't tell, boy.
So what you mean never invite in an argument?
I'm going to put it to you,
You say so you can't chat?
Let's plug out the man, Mike, man.
Me can't find
You can't find the card.
Only old one them I use.
That's what phone I put them. Keep on feed them. I put them up. Keep on feed them. Half day, a fast day, never know.
Small Leland, you know. Can't do it, you know. I want Mac. Mac. A Leland man, see big old hill there side. There front.
There front. I'm talking to you. I want to learn for time.
You chat too much.
I want to learn for time. side die front. What do you go down for talk? Soldier with that corner here.
Retreat corner.
Lie you tell man, shine it corner. Right to the shine it, right now corner, shine it run off a road. Over there saying go dead, over there in a bush.
I do run off.
Yeah, run down one truck. The truck man think truck half a road, clean clean shine it go that truck same way. Dead as down. All in seed pole.
I forgot you
See it?
All in seed pole.
Right behind.
Paper.
Yeah.
What will tell you judge say?
See, you go look on the seat, daddy.
No, hear me here. Hear me here. Hear
Let
me
me keep
here.
on here, you know. I want to talk about that no more.
That's what I'm talking me here.
Hold on. When they exhausting the viewers. The viewers say, oh, I'm today. Why may I watch a YouTube channel? I chat pure foolishness all day. Why Randy put this on the internet? It's my life. My whole life, I sit down here, the one on the blue shirt. Wear the same shirt in 2 days.
I see you sitting on the head,
I know, him go Sam. And him know wearing no shoes. And him know wearing no shoes.
I don't think of that. I don't think Jamaican have that, man.
Wearing no shoes. And him a talk to a woman at the glass and him not get the number.
And you get the number.
How come you not get the number, man? And the girl love him, you know?
Well, I know you know why number where she had to make with that dialings. You're a Frank and dead house. Dialings.
You know the girl like him.
I mean that, man.
The girl say must come back.
First thing you look, don't look at married woman.
So
Don't look at woman, we have a man. Yeah. Use you.
So did she tell you she have a man?
Yes, she have a man.
She tell you she have a man? Or you assume she have a man? Which one of them?
She married, boss.
maybe the man
She
is
tell you
not.
she married or you assume she married?
You baggage. You pick up a woman without baggage. Me not kick up woman with baggage.
You see that? I'm question now, you know.
Okay.
They ask you again. You assume she married or she tells you she married?
You know how good of me love life, so we are going to leave.
You have no love life.
Hey, gentlemen, be slow down, sir. You know focus, you know.
You don't want to give me
You know focus. You need to focus on the road and tell him how to be slow down. You can't make him man get your mind twisted. Look on the road and focus on the road.
You can't drive fast, man. I tell him, slow down. When I press the time, slow down. You know, say back out.
Easily.
Matty man, see you there.
Making Ghana broke in there. Flipping idiot.
You can't hear some of you. I'm a roast that.
Big man are getting grass, you're flipping idiot.
I'm a roast that. You can't over there.
I'm not kidding.
Where did my monkey come from? The man's the guinea grass and say I can.
Sankar can't show you one in the bedroom. I wrote the place, you know. Sankar can't show you. See, cane piece are way back.
All them sick in their head.
People stop chop cane piece, my you chop, take out the grass with it, so the grass growing on it. So your piece of pay grass over there, a cane piece over there shot you. Let me tell you, it's hard for the contract. One can see a shot you. Nothing come out of it, you're dead.
You know, so I'm convinced something wrong with soldier.
Nick mad too, you know. You see?
No, man, if he ain't gone alone, he ain't gone, I'm convinced there's something wrong with soldier.
No, he must have no kid over there. And my girlfriend, I headmaster, we make him on the top kid and she count every ton the tractor take up in the car. So I know that man kid over there, so you understand me? We just plan kid for them, you know. So I know every property when they have kid, you understand me? Yeah. Only someone he don't know, I mean, it's a giz kid, me talk about. You know, waste time you talk about Polish. Anything we talk about production, you talk about. Probably you never work hard enough or you get everything from mama and something. You get everything for your wife. So you're well relaxed and happy. Everybody have a different lifestyle. Some people have it hard. But tell you, real soldiers have it hard. Fraud soldiers have it easy. Yeah.
Bye.